Young people are often influenced in their behaviors by others in the same age group. Some argue that peer pressure is important while others feel it has distinct disadvantages. Do the disadvantages of peer pressure outweigh the advantages? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer 1. The peer group tends to exert influence on the way teenagers behave. While many believe that the influence of peers is immensely important, others opine that it has its obvious drawbacks. I believe that the benefits peer pressure brings outweigh the disadvantages because it can instill a positive attitude towards education, despite the primary drawback, namely substance use, or so on it may cause. Without any doubt, the influence of peers can inspire young people to build positive behaviors, make good choices, and strive for academic excellence. When friends place emphasis on education and academic performance, it can exert a positive impact on the young's attitude toward learning. In fact, students who maintain a friend circle who are diligent students may feel a strong motivation to study diligently. Take my brother's case for example. He works harder to obtain good marks in exams because his friends are determined to achieve academic excellence. They possess a solid work ethic, and now so does he. However, peer pressure can also exert influence on young people to engage in deviant behaviors. It may make young adults feel obliged to take on bad habits like substance abuse to feel like they are part of the circle and not labeled as boring or weak. For example, if a group of friends get involved in substance abuse, underage drinking, and delinquent activities, a child may feel obligated to conform to these behaviors to avoid exclusion. Considering all these, I would like to mention that there is no concrete evidence to endorse the view that peer pressure is the primary reason for unacceptable behaviors and substance abuse. There are other factors, like genetics, mental health issues, and social influences, that play a profound role in this case. To reiterate, the fact that peer pressure can encourage to conform to a positive attitude toward learning clearly outweighs the flawed argument that it can influence young people to develop delinquent behavior and bad habits. Model answer 2. The debate surrounding peer pressure often hinges on whether its advantages outweigh its disadvantages or if it is the opposite. While peer pressure can sometimes encourage positive behaviors and foster social connections, I believe its drawbacks are significant and can have long-lasting consequences. On the one hand, proponents of peer pressure argue that it can motivate individuals to adopt healthy habits, such as regular exercise, academic diligence, and community involvement. Positive peer pressure can serve as a source of encouragement, support, and accountability, leading to personal growth and self-improvement. For example, a teenager may be more likely to participate in volunteer work if their friends are also involved, leading to a greater sense of civic responsibility and altruism. However, the disadvantages of peer pressure often outweigh these benefits. Negative peer pressure can lead individuals to engage in risky behaviors, such as substance abuse, reckless driving, and delinquent activities, in order to fit in or gain acceptance from their peers. The desire to conform to social norms and avoid rejection can override rational decision-making and moral judgment, leading to harmful consequences for both individuals and society. For instance, adolescents may experiment with drugs or alcohol due to peer pressure, resulting in addiction, legal troubles, and impaired cognitive function. Moreover, peer pressure can contribute to the perpetuation of harmful stereotypes, discrimination, and bullying within peer groups. Individuals who deviate from social norms or express dissenting opinions may face ostracism, ridicule, or even physical violence from their peers, leading to feelings of isolation, low self-esteem, and mental health issues. In conclusion, while peer pressure can sometimes promote positive behaviors and social connections, its disadvantages far outweigh any potential benefits.